Hi, Corey here, and I want to talk to you about Janilink's exclusive waxes. First up, we've got Finish Job 35. This is the only 35% solid wax on the market, and Janilink is the only one who carries it. Now you might think it's impossible for there to be a 35% solid wax, but it does exist, and we have it. Now you might also think that it's difficult to spread, but it's just as easy as any other wax. It has a very high shine, as you can imagine, because of how many solids it has. Now, while this is an amazing wax and looks very, very nice, our 365 is even better. It's named 365 because it can last up to 365 days, 1 year, or even longer depending on your traffic. You can save time and money by using this wax. It has a brighter shine and more durability than our Finish Job. And you can stop by our store and actually see we use our 365 on our floors, so you can check out for yourself how nice it looks. We even use comparisons between our different waxes so you can see the difference. So yeah, make sure you stop by our store and check us out.